Go.
Hello and namaste, this is me Parv, welcome back to the channel. So let's start today's most important news and headlines. So let's start with Indian news. Center assures adequate energy stocks amid supply concerns over Iran-US wars. Commercial flights at Noida airport to begin in 60 days, says Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu. Two Indian LPG tankers, Jagvasant and Pine Gas, successfully transited the Strait of Hormuz, delivering tons of LPG gas in India. Now let's talk about some global news. Battered by stock losses, investors find little relief in bonds. Houthis, who are political and armed leaders of Yemen, attacked on Israel, supporting Iran. Thousands protested across US and Europe in No Kings rallies against Trump policies. Tiger Woods, famous golf player, was arrested in Florida for the charge of driving under influence, that is DUI. Several explosions heard in Tehran. Now let's talk about some sport news. RCB won in a stunning way against SRH, and today is a match between MI and KKR. 19-year-old Kimi becomes youngest ever F1 championship leader. Djokovic hints at extended career beyond 39 years of age, says retirement not on mind yet. Now let's talk about some entertainment news. Dia Mirza's film Kandahar Hijack was criticized for being balanced, but Dhurandhar was praised for being nationalist. She called this as a double standard and had to face a huge backlash. Now let's talk about some technology news. Redmi 15A 5G is launched in India with 6300 mAh battery. Prices range from 13,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees. Now let's talk about some business news. Indian investors have lost over rupee 41 lakh crores since Gulf War have begun. Crypto stocks slide as Bitcoin falls below $67,000. Now let's talk about some miscellaneous news. Oscar-nominated film Voice of Hind Rajab, which is based on a killing of 5-year-old Palestinian, faces CBFC roadblock in India. The ongoing crisis have severely impacted restaurants across India, forcing them to adopt crisis menu. So that is it for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.